Hi, I'm Brian, and you're watching Someplace or Another. And today I'm at Fort de Chartres. I probably pronounced that wrong. I'll put it right here somewhere. It's in Illinois, and let's go check it out. Okay, state historic site built by the French 1753 and 1755. That was a stone fort replacing, this stone fort replaced a fort 1720 to 1763 made of wood. Oh, the British occupied it from 1765. It's abandoned in 1771. Interesting. All right, let's go see what they have to offer. All right. Let's go ahead and walk inside the fort. What do we got? Pretty cool. Oh, look how thick those doors are. I don't know which way we should go first. I guess we'll just go this direction. Sounds good to me. I actually wanted to go here last year, but between flooding and you know what, I never got here. But it's pretty neat so far. Let's see what we can find. Okay, I don't know what this is exactly. Let's go inside and see what we got. Ooh, it's dark in here. Ooh, is it whiskey? Rum? No. Gunpowder, of course. But hey, a much happier fort if it was whiskey. This one was made in 1756. Okay, what else we got? Oh, come on. Whiskey or rum is much better than gunpowder, don't you think? Okay, let's see what's over here. It's pretty peaceful out here today. Oh, I was kind of hoping we'd climb up in there. They got it blocked off. Bummer. I wonder what this building is. There's a train coming. Probably can't see inside. Can you see anything in there? All right, where's the tracks at? Guess they're over there. That's the pizza oven over there. Okay, it's probably not pizza. It's definitely an oven of some sort. Wow, there's a lot of birds and stuff going on in here. Huh. Yeah, I guess an oven of some sort. Probably not pizza, but it would probably work good for that. Cool little shack they got over here. What we got? And they got a nice little garden. What do we have here? Some more buildings. Let's go inside, look around. Yay, we can go inside. Oh, this would be the church. It's not very big. Okay, what else we got? Looks like it's gonna rain any minute now. Okay, we have right here, look at the size of these doors. Huh, don't know what that is. There are steps to go up though. Wait, what's that? That's kind of cool. I wonder, let's go up the steps. It's dark up here. Can you see where you're going? Neat. Guessing food storage. Maybe a little gunpowder storage. Very, very cool. Very neat. Let's see what else we got here. This one here has got signs on the door, so I'm thinking this one is where they keep help. I mean, you know, tour guides and stuff. Yeah, see, the museum is in this one. All right, let's go inside. I wonder if they'll make me wear a mask. Because we're currently in a 4:30. I think we're under 4:30. Let's see. Ooh, door opens. Watch out for the skunk. What do we got here? Some old woodworking tools. Cool looking musket. Looks like they might have found this here. Interesting. It's a typical rifle. Okay. Let's go back outside. See if there's something else to look at. Not sure what this is, but I'm guessing could be, I don't know. I have no guess actually. I think this stays dry for the most part now with the flood wall. But when it floods, you can't get here. I could be wrong on that too. But okay.
I just got a couple.
What's in here? Oh, this is where they have a. This must be the dining hall. Why is there a big? Don't know the answer to that question. All right. I see steps. I wonder if we can climb those. Well, I guess yes is the answer to that question. But I'm gonna have to hold. I'm gonna have to pay attention for this one. Okay, I made it up. Okay. This must be our lookout. You see anybody? Enemy coming? You see enemy coming? It's blurry. Alrighty. Let's go back down. This is a pretty neat place to visit. It's out of the way a little bit. Well, a lot, actually. But I hope you enjoyed my tour of the fort. I will see you guys someplace or another. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and most importantly, have a great day. Bye. Stay tuned for more adventure to come. Subscribe, like, share, and thanks for watching. Bye.